we are blowing a string through the tubes so we can get our wires run through the tubes and not outside them. Just using high pressure air to blow them through the tube, and it'll work. You just can't have any obstructions or anything like that. Well, here we are. I mean, I thought I had it recording a while ago, but I wasn't. Okay, on the other side, you got a yellow and brown. On this side, you got a green and brown. You just want to connect them like this right here. Leave yourself some slack where you can push it back in there and pull it back. We're going to hook up our ground. Now, I want enough to wrap around the screw 2 or 3 times. I'm not going to use a D-ring because if we get out in the field and it's broke, then D-ring kind of leaves you helpless. At least, I mean, we got a 5/16. Usually everybody carries a 5/16 inch. It's a 5/16 self-tapping bolt or screw. Forgive me. We're going to take the rubberized washer off of it. We're going to suck it down right here. Pull it out a couple turns. Put our ground wire up here. You can see where I'm going with this. I need just a little bit more strip back. Wrap that puppy around there. You got 3 ground wires, and each one of them needs to be attached in this manner. One on each side at the brake lights themselves, and then one at the front on the trailer tongue. There we go. Now, we'll shove them all back up in the tube, pull it underway, and all we got to do is finish hooking up the plug up front. All right, so we welded 2 brackets on, drilled 4 holes for the brake lights to mount on, and wired it all in, and it seems to be working great. So we're ready to go to the TxDOT and get trailer title. So at this point, there we go. I mean, we're just getting one step closer every day.